So on Thursday, Capcom released the demo for the Resident Evil 4 remake, and I was going to record it and make a little video out of it, and then upload it the next day. I was just going to play and commentate over it, which I did. I played it and recorded the gameplay, but when I went to go look back at the footage so I could start editing it, there was no game sound. And the footage was so choppy and laggy, it was terrible. I was so irritated and bummed out that I just went to bed right after, because it was already 1 in the morning at this point, and I had no reason to stay up anymore since I no longer had a video to edit.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
So for those 2 reasons, I decided to scrap the recording completely and just re-record everything. So here we are, back on this title screen, like I never played it before. But I'm actually really excited for this game. I've honestly been waiting for it since the remake for Resident Evil 2 came out. I was just staying hopeful that they would eventually make their way up to remaking the 4th one, which they thankfully did, because this shit is dropping in 11 days. For me, this is going to be the best nostalgia trip since Spider-Man No Way Home came out, because it's one of my favorite games, if not my #1 pick. It's hard to say though, because my top 3 consists of Resident Evil 4, Minecraft, and Zelda Twilight Princess. But not in any specific order, they all just reign supreme in a collection for me, since they're all games I grew up with. And it's crazy because the reason I even got into the Resident Evil series at all was because of my dad. He had actually gotten me the Wii version of Resident Evil for Christmas one year when I was like 8 or 9. At the time I had no idea what the game was, but I was a little kid so I didn't care. I was just excited I got a new game to play. I also remember when I opened it, he told me that he was in between getting me Resident Evil 4 or COD 4, both for the Wii because I was a Nintendo kid. But I'm grateful he chose Res 4, or else I would have been playing this. And to make things even more wild, my dad isn't even into video games like that. He did play the Nintendo growing up, but that's about it. So the fact that he unintentionally put me onto what would become one of my favorite games is just insane, which gives the game even more meaning for me. It could have worked out any other way, but it worked out the way that it did, and I wouldn't change it. This game holds a lot of memories for me, and it's one of my comfort games. It just has a specific charm to it that makes it easy to get back into and replay. And I literally grew up with it. I've been playing this game for over 10 years. It holds so much replay value for me that I've beat the game completely at least a dozen times. And I'm not even kidding. It's one of my favorite games for a reason. And that's exactly why I'm making a video on this demo as well. Just a little introduction, because once the game officially releases, I'm going to be making a series on it. So I'm actually really looking forward to that. But alright, I feel like I've talked and ranted long enough now. I don't want my intro to drag on too much, so let's just get into it. Holy shit. You actually heard about this mode. Seen something about it on Twitter. Apparently it's just like a random game mode that appears when you load up the demo. And apparently I got it, because I already beat the demo once. So I guess loading it up this time made me get this mad chainsaw mode. I don't know what it is, I don't know what it includes, but I just know that it's a more difficult version of the demo. But fuck it, I guess. I ain't no bitch. Last time I played this, it gave me a nice little spook, not even gonna lie.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
The iconic roundhouse kick. Bro laid him out. Straight up gave him lockjaw. God damn.
Hey.
They killed my boy.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
He's next. He's fucking next. This is mad chainsaw mode, but I will do my best to avenge you. Alright, buddy. I don't know your name. Was it Alfonso? We'll call you Alfonso. Alonzo? Either one. We'll call you A. Big A. Boy A. A-Dog. We'll call you A-Dog. Rest in peace, A-Dog.
What was that?
I don't know, but he's dead. Let's fuck around and find out.
No fucking way.
Oh, there's double. There's There's double. There's fucking double. Dude, I'm already dead. Oh my god. Give me this shit. Open the door. Give me the ganja, bro. Give me the fucking weed. Oh my god, this shit was not opening. Dude, I'm terrible. Dude, I need to get the hell out of here. I am not good at this combat. Not good at all. I'm going here. Those bastards. I almost didn't make it past the first sequence. Jesus. Dude, OBS just took a shit on me for some reason. Playback is so choppy now, recording wise. God damn it, I'm pissed. Feel sad about homie G. They did him dirty. Rest in peace, my boy. You'll be missed. No, I'm kidding. This is for sure not the dog. Ain't no way they massacred my boy for real. I doubt Capcom would have killed the dog. Once the game actually releases, he's gonna be there, chilling. If he's not, I'll be severely disappointed. Who else is gonna help me fight El Gigante? Who else is gonna help me fight him? I need that backup. I need it. It's man's best friend for a reason. And he was my best friend.
Hey, it's that dog.
Oh my god, yeah. Dude, they all hit me like that. Dude, I'm dead. Dude, I'm screwed. I ain't got no heals. I ain't got none of that. Oh my, dude, where did you come from? Bro came out of nowhere. Bro legit came out of nowhere.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Fuck no, it would not. The government really had Leon on a solo mission out here in Europe to save the president's daughter. No one else. No backup, no nothing. My boy Leon was just out here solo recruit, fucking up everyone. Bro came in here as a threat, as a menace. But what if the government just knew what they were doing? They were like, nah, we don't need a whole team. We don't need a whole squad. We'll send in Leon. He got it. Like Leon's just that badass, I guess. He could do a whole solo mish. Spooky man. He just showed him why he's a special agent. You don't want to fuck with the government special agent, man. Bro was specifically trained for this mission. Bro got knocked the fuck out.
Man, that stinks.
The food in the Resident Evil games is always fucking horrendous. Yeah, you just see plates of God knows what. This time it should be easier, 21.
No fucking way.
Dude, it always beats me. He's stuck. His AI is stuck.
This just keeps getting worse.
Dumbass bitch. Aw, he's blushing.
¿Dónde estás?
His name was Mario. And I called him Alfonso. Oh my god, what the, why did this scare me? Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna hide. Are they dead? Yeah, I think they're dead. Just cuddling up next to each other. Dude, these ragdolls are gonna be fun as fuck. That shit's so funny. Because in the original, they just like fall and rot right away.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Lake?
Copy that. I'll see what I can
I
find.
just caught that.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here.
Nearby.
My escorts are. Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
Get the fuck out of there. Get the fuck out of there, Leon. He looks like Caesar, bro. Bro looks like Caesar from season 3 of On My Block. I'm gonna go guns blazing this time. Fuck it.
¡Detrás de ti, imbécil! ¡Te voy a hacer picadillo!
Oh my god, my aim is horrendous. Horrendous. Left and right, missing every bullet. Oh. You're not transforming. You ain't double taking on me. Goddamn Red Skull, bro. Yeah, bro looks like Red Skull now. That shit's... Dude, that's nasty as fuck. their neck literally has to snap for the plagas to just take over. That's brutal. Oh. Oh my god. Sit down, bro. Get your ass stomped. Bro said too easy. Yeah. Found you getting roundhouse by Leon. Then he just emotes on you. Tough. What am I doing? I just like spaced off and I almost didn't do this. Wait, what happened? Why can I not use my binoculars? Why can I not use them? Oh shit. Damn, this one hit a little different because they didn't give me the binoculars. Oh shit. Dude, I want to put that girl to sleep. Where's she at? I'm coming after you. I'm not hiding no more. Lights out. Bro, she looks pissed. She looks pissed as fuck. Damn, the clock tower is broken. It's in ruins. It's not complete no more. Damn, that guy's gonna see me. He's gonna fucking see me, man.
Bruh. Here we go.
Damn, that guy puts traps. We're going straight to the house. Fuck it, dog. Chainsaw Man coming out right out the back. The legend himself. Run. Get the shotgun, bitch. Get the shotgun, bitch. Shotgun. W870.
Please close.
No, you son of a bitch. You son of a... I think the music's so much more intense in this game. It's fucking insane. Like the original one gave me enough anxiety as it was, and this one is on steroids. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that charge that they do is insane. That's gonna get me fucked up and I actually play. Oh my god. No, run. Another one? There's two? Oh my god. This is literally in the trailer and...
You're shitting me.
For real, you're literally shitting me. Dude, I just ate that. Jump down. Oh my god. Dude, I'm like dodger weaving. Oh, you can't go that way, Oh my. No, I forgot that counted. There's a fire, that's new. That is very, very new. Dude, I wish y'all could feel like how fast my heart is beating right now. I play this, but it's still nerve-wracking. It don't matter how many times. If this is broken, I tried going up it last time, and it doesn't work. It's literally in shambles. No. I'm dead as fuck. That was really stupid of me. I just cut right into them.
darkness.
Man, you made it. Holy shit.
Huh?
So trippy.
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir. Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
I just fucking hear that. Sadler.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Oh my god, you just see boy in the back in the front just burning. He says the iconic line though. Where's everyone going? Bingo? Dude, I love it. I love the way the game looks. It feels good, combat's insane. You're just able to do so much more in this game now when it comes to combat. Like before you weren't able to parry things, you weren't able to crouch and do like stealth attacks. That's pretty sick actually. You were able to do suplexes and stuff like that, but you weren't able to just one-shot them completely. The village, man, that's my favorite part of the game, the village. So yeah, I'm just super excited for this game to come out, and I don't want to take too long doing this video. I'll just let the game speak for itself and let time do its thing, and once this game actually releases, I'll do a series on it. So until then, I'll catch y'all later.